October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and where breast cancer is concerned, size does not matter.
KTLA's Allie McKay has more from Fred Siegel in Santa Monica for those ladies in the A-cup crowd.
Hey you guys, I have done many reports about bras that don't fit. Maybe you need a larger size. I've done segments going all the way up to J, but I have never talked about someone maybe with a smaller chest. Jane, you are the founder of Itty Bitty Bras, and it's just as important for a good fit with smaller chests. What do we want in a bra?
Well, basically you want a secure fit that it would adhere to your skin, lay flat, that the straps wouldn't slide down, and to be fairly snug, so you can create a little lift.
And your bras come in what sizes?
32 double A's, A's and B's, up to 38B.
And normally you would not find super cute bras in a smaller size like a double A. They're mostly training bras, for lack of a better word, but your new line's so cute. Tell me about that.
Well, the new line consists of the H pattern, which we call it, and this gold paisley.
Very good.
And then also the houndstooth.
Okay.
They all have hidden underwire. They all include a little pocket with extra padding.
Excellent. So
And
you take it out or put it in, depending on your mood that day.
Right.
And then you're also supporting Breast Cancer Awareness Month, obviously, right now in October, with this, your pink bra, and then these silicone gel. They adhere to your skin, right?
Right.
Okay.
Those are our breast petals, and so they come in chocolate brown and nude.
And 10% of proceeds of the breast petals as well as the pink Itty Bitty Bra goes to the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Fund. So you can find all of that here in Santa Monica at Fred Siegel
Silk.
Fred Siegel Silk. Itty Bitty Bras. It's about darn time they were cute. We will send it back to you.